Hey everyone! Welcome back to How to Fix Techie. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB for Windows 10. Maybe you want to install or reinstall Windows on your PC, but you don't have a DVD drive, or you just want a faster and easier way to do it. Creating a bootable USB is the perfect solution, but if you haven't done it before, it can seem tricky. Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can make your own Windows 10 bootable USB without any stress. Let's get started. First, you'll need a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of space. Make sure to back up anything important on it because this process will erase everything on the drive. Next, open your web browser and head to the official Microsoft Windows 10 download page. You can search for Windows 10 Media Creation Tool, or go directly to Microsoft's site. Download the Media Creation Tool and run it. When the tool opens, select Create Installation Media, USB Flash Drive, DVD, or ISO file for another PC, then click Next. Choose your preferred language, edition, and architecture. Most people should go with the default selections, then click Next. Now, select USB Flash Drive as your media to use, and click Next. Plug in your USB drive if you haven't already, then select it from the list and click Next. The tool will now download the Windows 10 files and create the bootable USB. This might take a little while depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, you'll see a message saying your USB is ready. And that's it. You now have a bootable USB for Windows 10 that you can use to install or repair your system whenever you need. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel How to Fix Techie and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.